Hello and welcome to our On Your Bike of the Week number 6, this time featuring our Aprilia Tuono V4 factory. Main differences of the factory compared to the standard model is the electronic suspension, both front and rear, slightly sportier riding position, the smaller sport screen and the solo seat cowl on the back. Retail price of these is £18,100. We've currently got this one pre-registered, so it's ready to ride away today for £14,999. So come down and check it out, and hopefully it'll be less windy. Pass again, quick. Oh, God. Okay. Are you rolling? Just leave it rolling.